The truth about Rebuild Rescue, talking about one of the most innovative and unique channels on YouTube. Rebuild Rescue is a channel that keeps us entertained and educated with its original and well-created content. In this channel, things that were initially thought of as useless or spoiled beyond repair are taken in, repaired, and pinned. The channel is run by 3 very close friends, and their sole interest is showing the fact that there is life in everything provided we have the patience enough to bring the life force back. Their main focus is on aircrafts, aeroplanes, and helicopters. If you have not seen them before, which I doubt very much, I suggest you hop onto their channel to see how abandoned aircraft are rescued and brought back to life. There is a lot you don't know about Rebuild Rescue, like how they started, how they live, and how much they earn. Well, that's about to change as we will be exploring the biography, lifestyle, and net worth of this unique YouTube channel in today's video. Stick with us until the end of the video as we will be giving you up-to-date details about Rebuild Rescue that are sure to blow your mind. But before we start the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel, BB Star, and press the bell icon so you can be notified as soon as we upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Who is Rebuild Rescue? The channel is my personal favorite, and that is for obvious reasons. The fact that they take abandoned things and bring them back to life is proof that everything can be given life, provided we take out time to nurse life back into it. Rebuild Rescue was created by an American engineer and aeroplane enthusiast, Jason Morrison, sometime in 2016. Videos are shot in their warehouse located in Coatesville, Pennsylvania. The channel is included in the lifestyle and vehicles niche on YouTube and has over 600,000 subscribers with millions of views per video uploaded. With over 53 videos uploaded at over 44 million video views recorded on each video, Rebuild Rescue is by far one of the most successful channels in the lifestyle and vehicle niche on YouTube. Although the major concern of this channel is rescuing aircrafts and restoring and remodeling them, they also work on yachts, cars, and other abandoned vehicles. While Jason is the frontman of the channel, he features friends and co-engineers who help him move abandoned vehicles from a state of nothing to something. They take the vehicles from the place they were found to the warehouse, where the vehicles are dismantled, repaired, restructured, and even pimped. Furthermore, Jason's experience and knowledge of motor engines and various other vehicle components help him to categorize them efficiently. Exploring the areas in and around the abandoned vehicles is one of the ways he finds vehicles that are worth rebuilding. Their warehouse serves as their workshop and their studio. Jason shoots videos in the warehouse and works us out how the videos was found, where it was found, and what it took them to rebuild the abandoned vehicles. However, if a vehicle is absolutely damaged and cannot be restored or rebuilt, Morrison disassembles them and deports them to a recycling center. Rebuild Rescue Net Worth. Jason Morrison leads a very private life, keeping his other businesses and his family away from the prying eyes of social media. However, from the massive views and engagement the channel gets, we can say that he's making a fortune from it, and it is no lie. Rebuild Rescue has uploaded over 53 videos, all of which have grossed over 44 million views and counting. With over 600,000 active subscribers, Rebuild Rescue earns a fortune on YouTube, revenue, and Google AdSense. Also, because of the massive engagement it has garnered, the channel also earns from brand endorsements and affiliate marketing. Rebuild Rescue has an estimated net worth of a whopping $1 million. The channel has made its fortune by supposedly bringing dead and abandoned projects back to life and creating an atmosphere of hope for every object and vehicle. Why do people love the channel? Well, the foremost reason is the lesson of life he teaches with the abandoned vehicles. Nothing is totally damaged. Every and anything can be restored and be put back to good use. We all have a good purpose, broken or not. That brings us to the end of the video. Let us know what you think about Rebuild Rescue in the comment section below. Like this video, share it with friends. BB Star will be back with another video soon.